Alright, Savannah, are you ready to blend some words today? Okay, here's the first word. What is this word? Fan. Good job. I love how you blended the A. Now let's change the A to an I. What is this word? Fan. Nice job. Now let's change the I into a U. How about this? What is this word? Fun. Good job. Now let's change the B into a P. Um, Not quite. Now listen to me, okay? Un. Pun. Now let's do it together, okay? Un. Pun. Good job. Now you do it. Pun. Good. That's better. Now let's change the N into a G. What is this word? Good job. I love that ending sound. Now let's do, instead of a P, a PL. What's this word? Good job. I love how you blended the PL.